As you do that, Dr. Mudomi, be mindful of the time. And if it's taking longer, you can move on to the next line of your questioning.
It is, I'm about just to, only that my computer is playing games with me, but I'll find it. It is paragraph 12, Mr. Speaker. And I'm sorry we lost time on this because my learned friends shouldn't really be denying something that is in black and white. Can you read paragraph 12 of the governor's response, sir? It will be on the smaller bundle of the governor's documents, Mr. Speaker.
You mean the paragraph appearing in page 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you read it for us?
The impeachment motion is, therefore, a means to a selfish end by the deputy governor, who is the ultimate beneficiary if the governor is removed from office. Indeed, the bulk of the allegations against Her Excellency the Governor largely constitute matters that this Senate found the governor not to be in wrongdoing during the first impeachment by the County Assembly. In any view, many of the same allegations are essentially matters within the docket of other county officials who bear responsibility and who, in law, are subject to oversight by the Assembly.
So, sir, that last sentence is the one I'm interested in because it is one of the many defenses of the governor that say it wasn't me, it was other officials. Is that defense, sir, consistent with the responsibility of the governor under section 30, subsection 3, to provide leadership on matters of governance?
Yes, it is consistent.
Okay. Does it go to 3C? What does it say the governor shall do?
Haya, icio nĩ mbica cia ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma kũrĩa mwena wa Senate na kũrĩa Ndereti ya kuhagura